Hello everyone, this is Tyler with Diesel Laptops. I am going to talk to you about our new version of KnowledgeBase. We're calling this KnowledgeBase 2.0. So the very first thing that's different from our previous version is you do need a username and password in order to access the system. So that's different than the previous version that was installed on your computer. We have now gone to a internet-based solution for KnowledgeBase. So very easy, we will give you your username and your password, and you do need to be on the internet, of course, to use it. So we type that in, we hit login, and it's going to log us in now to KnowledgeBase. So if you've used this program before, you already know what it looks like. It's very similar to the last version. We didn't want to change the look and feel up too much for everybody, but I want to talk about a couple different things. So first of all, depending on what you buy from us, if you buy just a truck-only kit, you're only going to have the truck folder. If you buy a kit from us that includes off-highway diagnostics, you would have an off-highway diagnostics folder as well. There isn't too much going on here except when you click on truck and then cat and then 3176 or whatever you're going through, and you'll notice up here it starts to change the path. So it's very easy for me to go back and forward and navigate and find out where I'm going through. So let's just show you some of the content that's in here as well. So let's go to Cummins, and then we'll do an ISX CM2350. So these are the brand new ones. This is a great one here, 2013 through 17. It's actually 2018 models as well. So we can click on there and you can see I got two folders, one for DTCs, which are Diagnostic Trouble Codes, one for wiring diagrams. I click on wiring diagrams, there's my PDF, I'm going to click on it. It is now going to download it. We are using Amazon Web Services for all of our hosting. It is as fast as could possibly be. And if you haven't seen this before, this is pretty cool. We have started to develop all of our own wiring diagrams. So we literally have thousands and thousands of wiring diagrams that are in here, and it'll give you ECM pinouts on where everything is. It'll talk about the connectors and the color codes and any abbreviations, and then we get into the wiring diagrams themselves down here. So as you can see, we have some great wiring diagrams, color-coded, pictures, easy to see, easy to find. Everything that you're looking for will be in there. Let's close that guy out, and let's go back one more and go over to DTCs. So the other thing we've started doing here is we've started making all of our step-by-step repair information for all the diagnostic codes. So the nice thing with this is no matter what you're looking for, it's going to be a nice, easy to use, easy to read, troubleshooting tree. So here we're going to talk about everything up front, but then we get down here to the pages, you'll start seeing the yes/no troubleshooting trees. So again, the good thing here with this is if you're hooking onto a Detroit, a Cummins, a Cat, no matter what it is, you will find these step-by-step repair information in here. So tons of good information inside the system itself, and it's very easy to search. So say I was on an ISX and I wanted to find code 151. I can literally type 151, hit the search button, and it's going to say, hey, here's all the possible matches. Which one are you looking for? I could click from there. So it's only searching the folder you're in. So if I hit the back button and now I go over to Cummins, and let's do that same search for 151. I hit search. It's now going to say, oh, I found all these other files, and it tells you where they're located on here as well. So you can very easily just go through the list, find what you're looking for. And of course, if we go back even further and just go to truck and we type 151, it's now not just searching just Cummins, it's going to search everything. And we can see we get to international engines and pack car engines and Volvo engines and everything else we got going on. So the other thing I want to show you too is the update function. This is new to KnowledgeBase 2.0. We basically hit the I program for information, and it'll ask if you want to check for updates. We check for updates. It'll tell you if there's any available. There's also an auto reminder that pops up every 30 days saying, hey, come check for updates. So although this is online, the great thing for everybody now is the fact that you can download as many of these as you want. So if you go in here and you just want to start downloading files for Bendix EC60 and manuals, and you just want to start downloading these things and save them to your computer, go for it. You can always use them offline that way. And the other great thing is we can pretty much provide instant updates. So as previously, we would have to send you a new flash drive, and we have to remote in our tech support and decrypt them and place them in folders, and it was a pain for everybody. Today's solution, much, much better. You basically get instant access to all the new codes and repair informations and PDFs that are out there. And of course, we have off-highway integrated into it as well. That was something we did not have in the previous version, and we are constantly trying to build out all of our off-highway repair information as well. So for that much, I really thank you for watching. If you're a current customer and you're in support that first year, or you've bought in a support package the years after, absolutely free to get upgraded. Just contact our tech team and they will get you going. For new customers, again, this is something you can only get from Diesel Laptops. And this is something that nobody else really has anything close to, and it's not available to purchase separately. So the only way to get it is to buy a kit from us. It's a great tool. Customers love it. And we got a lot more things lined up over the next 6 to 12 months I think you guys are absolutely going to love. But we want to get this out there and show it to you. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.